Why, hello and welcome to today's video. I am currently sitting on my front porch because it is gorgeous out and my toddler wants to be climbing the tree that is right behind you. So I was like, you know what? I can make this happen. I can set up my camera on my front porch, do my packing video, he can live his best life, and everyone can be happy. So here we are. So today I am showing you all about how I have my Lily Jade Shaylee packed up. I have done videos on this before. I love Lily Jade bags. I love a good quality leather bag, and my favorite part about this has all the functionality of a diaper bag, but it just looks like a regular leather tote bag. And chef's kiss, I have owned Lily Jade bags for well over 6 years, and they just transition beautifully through all the stages of motherhood. So if you're new here, my name's Melissa. I have 3 kids, ages 9, 6, and 3.5, so I am out of the diaper years. However, I like to adventure with my kids, and I like to feel prepared and like I have what I need to be on the go with them. So I'm going to change the camera angle and show you how she's all packed up because I have been loving her. Okay, so here she is in all of her glory. This is the black one. I actually just grabbed this one because they are having a sale, and then if you check out through Instagram will give you an additional 20% off your order. So I got this one out of the hot buy section, so it's already discounted, but you cannot return it, and then Instagram gave me an additional 20% off, making this come in under $200, which for the quality of the leather, this is so soft and supple and squishy and delicious. Highly recommend Lily Jade for a good leather bag. In the front, you do get 2 slip pockets with a hidden magnetic closure, and here I just like to keep some things for me. So I have a glazed lip oil by Pomifera. I have one of these L'Oreal lip gloss balms, and I love these. I have a little travel perfume from Saint. I have some gum. This is from Quip. Some of you asked me about this when you see it in my videos. It's refillable. I'm pretty sure it's empty right now, but you just push this button and the gum gets ejected, which is super cool, and the gum is really tasty too. And then lastly, I just have a brow product by e.l.f. and then a Rare Beauty mascara. And all that fits down there, no problem. There's even extra room, and it makes it super easy to access these items on the go. On this side, I have some more stuff for me. I have my AirPod Pros, a lotion that I actually got from Aldi, and it works really well, and some Honest Company hand sanitizer. On the back wall of the bag, you do get a nice long zipper here. The zippers on Lily Jade bags are just buttery smooth, and I am just keeping a Sharpie and my travel scissors. I usually have a Tide-to-Go pen and a regular pen, but they are missing. Alright, moving on to the inside of the bag, you do get 1 zipper pull, which some people prefer double zipper pull. Honestly, the 1 zipper pull doesn't bother me, but the zipper is nice and buttery, and look at that organization. So I will tell you, this is not the insert that currently comes with the bag. This is the previous model, which you can find for sale on Mercari and places like that. Personally, I don't love the new insert. I don't think it holds enough stuff. It's not my favorite, so I pack with the older one. But you can see just how organized everything is. I love a good tote bag because you can just reach in and grab whatever you need. And so I will go ahead around the pockets that are actually in the bag, show you what's in those. I don't have anything in this back slip pocket. This is usually where I would keep my makeup compact, but I used it this morning and didn't put it back, so it's not in there right now. And that does come with a zipper closure. And then on the front wall of the bag, you get your traditional 2 slip pockets. And so as you can see, I have my phone in the first one. And then in the second one is where I keep my sunglasses. This is my favorite sunglasses brand. I believe you pronounce it Key, but they're, decently affordable, especially when you find them on sale, and they are really high quality. Alright, so next I am going to take the insert out of the bag so that I can show you how I have it all packed. I'm just going to grab the insert out here. And for the people who didn't like this insert, I am going to give you my biggest piece of advice for making this insert work for you, and that is to pack it so it maintains the shape of the bag. And I'll show you what I mean. So if you look at how I have this packed, it maintains that rectangular shape. Sometimes when I watch packing videos, sometimes when I watch packing videos, people have like cups in this front pocket, and it just like distorts the shape of the insert, which makes it kind of like collapse in on itself and be weird. So if you want to try packing with this insert, I would recommend doing it this way. So in the front two pockets here, I have my wallet. This is also by Jade, and I love this wallet. It is so spacious, and I especially love that I can keep my cash in that compartment and then zip it up and close it away, so it's not just like staring at you when you're at the counter at a store or something. And that slides perfectly in there. Then in this pocket, I have two items. I have a little notebook for to-do lists or thoughts or ideas, and then I have my Kindle for reading on the go. Then moving to this side pocket, I have a pumpkin snack bag, and if you watch my videos, you know I love these for so many things. And in here, I am just keeping some crayons for my children. So if we are at a restaurant or somewhere, we have good quality crayons that don't break. Then you get identical pockets in the back of the bag, and so in this first one here, I am keeping two pouches, and if you've watched my videos, you've seen these. This is my potty pouch, and I have toilet seat covers, a flushable wipe, some little soap sheets down in there, and some feminine items for myself. So if we are going to a public restroom, I can just grab this and have everything I might need. My second pouch is my restaurant pouch, and in here I have some utensils, a straw, a Go Silly straw topper, and some wipes for cleaning down the items after we use them. And then next to that, I am keeping my first aid kit. So I have some medicine for the kids, I have band-aids, we have ointment, nail clippers, chapstick with sunscreen in it, tweezers. This pouch comes so in handy just to have all those little toiletry items on the go with you. It always gets used. And on this side of the bag, I am keeping my travel charger. This one's really neat because it has the cables included in the side, so you don't need any extra cables. And then it also has a space to charge my Apple Watch if that gets slow, so it works really well, and it slides really perfectly into that pocket there. Then on the inside of the insert, you get two slip pockets here. In this one, I am just keeping 3 different play packs for my kids, one for each of them, so that they have entertainment while out and about. And then in this one, I am keeping my wipes, so I just have some wet ones and some Clorox to-go wipes. Then you have 2 elasticated pockets on the side. In the first one, I am just keeping my Sunbum roll-on sunscreen because it is finally warming up here and we will be at playgrounds and parks all the time. And then over in this one, I am just keeping my folding hairbrush, which gets used all the time because for some reason, we cannot make it out of this house without. And down in the center of the insert, I have 2 pouches. This is part of the Jujubee set, and this is the large piece. And in this one, I am just keeping a whole bunch of snacks for my kiddos. And then this is the medium set piece from the same pouch trio. And in this one, I am just keeping some random toys and boredom busters. Again, you just never know where you're going to end up when it's warm out and it's summer, and these things just will keep my kids entertained and quiet, usually. Then in the back, you can see you get this zipper pocket. And here I am just keeping a sandwich-sized wet bag from Bumpkins. As I said, I am out of the diaper stage, but every once in a blue moon we have an accident, and so I just really like keeping that back there. So if we have dirty undies or something, I can put it in there and keep it nice and protected and safe from the rest of my bag. Alright folks, that is everything. We have made it to the end. That is what I have been carrying in my Lily Jade Shaylee. If you have any questions on this bag, leave them in the comments below. I always love chatting with you guys. I hope you stick around and subscribe for more of my videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!